Then let me participate.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Dear students. Okay. Welcome back to my class. Okay. I think last class we discussed about workbook
Good
exercise.
morning, ma'am.
Chapter
Morning,
workbook
ma'am.
exercises.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning. See, in the last class we discussed about the workbook exercise of digestive system. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everybody completed that workbook exercises. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So today we can start our next chapter. Okay. Are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 I will start the chapter if you are all ready to attend the class. Are you ready to attend the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I know
Yes,
you are ready to attend this class, but before what you want to do? But before what you want to do? First thing, what you have to do? Very good. Everybody kept it in unmuted position. All. So much disturbing sound. All muted. Fast. Ready? One, two. Everybody mute your audio. So last I'm going to say the number. So 3. Everybody is ready? Okay, good. Can you
ma'am.
see? I will ask Mayuk and S. Nair. Mayuk, please unmute yourself. Okay. Can you hear me properly here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see my video also, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, Risa, mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
See, Juan and Risa. Here everybody, Mayuk also, Otis. Please mute Arpita. Why? I should start countdown again. Should I start countdown? Okay, once again, I will start this. I will take this countdown. Okay. When I call out 3, you all should mute it and to be ready to attend the class. Okay. So ready? 1, 2, 2. All check your audio. Everybody check your audio. After when I count 3, you everybody should be ready. Janika, it is not done. So Janika, okay. 3. Okay. So we can start our next chapter. See, in the last chapter, in the previous chapter, we learned about digestion of food. How the food get digested, how the useful things are absorbed from it. I explained it in the classes. I told to read the textbook, and through the videos, through the images, you understood how the food which you are eating get digested, right? So, see, when the food from the mouth, when it reaches to stomach through the food pipe, stomach will act as a mixer grinder and will make it into a paste. At the same time, the stomach walls absorbs the nutrients, useful substances from the food. Okay? And after taking that useful substances, that is nutrients, everything is absorbed into the stomach walls. The rest is undigested food. That undigested food, it will push into, I will call one student, those only to answer it, okay? Ojas, Ojas, Ojas,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, from the stomach, this digested food, paste-like form of food is pushed into the small intestine, right? In the small intestine, the complete digestion gets completed. After that, the undigested food pushed into which organ?
Large intestine.
Large intestine. The undigested food. Okay, or just thank you. Mute yourself. Okay. So, which all it is undigested, that is only pushed into the large intestine. There also, large intestine walls absorb water and useful minerals from the undigested matter. After again absorbing useful things from that matter by the large intestine, what all it is left is waste. What all it is left is waste. Understood? So what all things left in the large intestine is only waste matter. As the water also absorbed from that, it will become a solid form. It will become a solid form. So that solid waste we want to remove from our body. Okay, Sarah Maria, please unmute it. Please unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so from the large intestine, the solid waste pushed out of our body through an opening. Through an opening. Can you name that opening? Can you name the opening? Which is
Large.
large intestine. From the large intestine, the waste goes to one goes to one organ.
Anus.
Anus. Okay, that is the anus, not anus.
Okay, ma'am.
Anus. Okay. So through the anus. Okay, Sarah, thank you. Mute it, please. So through the anus, the undigested waste matter which are in the solid form get out of our body. So solid waste, it is thrown out through the anus. Everybody understood it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then also some
Yes, ma'am.
liquid waste are there. Liquid waste means the excess water which we are drinking. Okay, the excess water which we are drinking, that also some water is required for the body, for its body function, that will be absorbed by the large intestine. Then if we are using too much water, that all will become as excess. That excess water also we want to remove from our body. Okay, so Aditi, please unmute it. Can you tell me a method through how our body removes this excess water? It's a common process, right? It's a
Yes,
common.
ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me how that liquid water goes out of our body? Are you going
Through
for?
the anus.
No. Through the anus, it is the solid waste is going out. Okay. So when you are urinating, okay, Aditi, please mute it. When we are urinating, the excess water goes out of our body. It is a common process, right? Natural process, right? Right? Okay. So Srihari, please mute your audio. This when we are urinating, as in the form of urine, the excess water goes out of our body. We have to remove that properly. Okay, and one more method is there for our body to remove this excess water when we are sweating. When we are sweating, the excess water and excess salt is also thrown out of our body. Okay. So what all we are eating, after taking the useful things from that food, the other unused part is a waste that we have to remove it, either it in the solid form or in the liquid form. Okay, either it in the solid form or in the liquid form. Okay, so then what is the name of the process of breaking down of food in our body? I will ask Aryan. Okay, say, can you hear me, Aryan?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me the name of the process of breaking down of food into small parts? In the last chapter, we learned it. Breaking down of food into small parts. Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me what is the name of that process? Okay, so mutation. Digestion. Okay, digestion. That is the digestion. So the organs which all are helping in digestion, that is called, that organ system is called digestive system. Digestive system. Okay, so digestion is the name of the process. Okay, digestion is the name of the process. The name of the organ system that helps in digestion is digestive system. In the same way, the process in the third chapter, we have to learn about removal of waste. Okay, so Navaneet,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, in this new chapter, we are learning about what? In this new chapter, okay, no need to tell the name of that process. What we want to do?
System.
Remove the waste. Okay, we want to remove the waste. Okay, unmute.
System.
Okay, everybody mute your audio. Mute your audio. In this chapter, we want to learn about how we can remove the waste from our body. How we can remove the waste from our body. The name of that process of removal of waste from our body is called excretion.
Digestion.
No. That digestion is we learned in the last chapter. Here, excretion. Here it is excretion. Excretion means removal of waste from the body. Okay. So now I want to share the screen. Everybody should mute it. When I am sharing, some have the tendency to unmute and to distract the class. Don't do it. Everybody should mute it. Felix, please sit properly. Okay, are you ready to see the board? Okay. See, can you see this white board now? If you can see, just show a thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So here I will write the new words. Okay. Here I will write the new words.
Ma'am, we should write it in our rough book.
Yes, you can keep one rough book so that you can write it there. Okay. See new words. See some words which are not familiar to you. Okay. So first we want to read that properly. Then we want to write it properly. Okay. So first one is excretion. I hope is everybody can see it, right? Okay. I will call Sri Hari. Sri Hari, Unmute yourself, Sri Hari.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you read the spelling of that word? First word.
Excretion.
Okay. That is the excretion. Okay. I will call Glenn. Glenn, please. Glenn, please unmute and read the word spelling. Read the spelling
Spelling
of first word.
Excretion.
Okay, what is that word?
Excretion.
Excretion. What is that? Excretion.
Excretion.
Not A. A is not there. Excretion. So, excretion. Excretion.
Excretion.
Excretion. Say it.
Excretion.
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 Okay, Kirtana. Kirtana, please unmute yourself, Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, can you read the word which is written on the board? Spelling.
Yes.
First read the spelling.
Excretion.
Okay, can you read that word?
Excretion.
Excretion. Okay. So, I think you are now familiar with this word. Now, I wish, okay. So, what I told about excretion, removal of waste from our body, that is called excretion. Okay, removal of waste from our body. Now, I am again sharing one screen. I think you can read it, right? What is the lesson number and okay, lesson number and the name of the chapter is also written there. So we can see this one. Can you see it is written excretion?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
What is the definition of excretion? Removal of
Removal of
Please,
waste from the
please mute
body.
yourself. Please mute yourself. I will call one by one to read it. Okay? You
Ma'am,
can,
we should write.
no, you can just write down the spelling of excretion, new words. These all are there in the textbook. So, when I told you to read the textbook, you have to underline these all points in your textbook. Okay? So, now mute it and you read. Okay, I will call some students to read this. Excretion, it is the removal of waste from the body. Okay, removal of waste from the body. Okay, Danvin, please unmute Danvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read the sentence from the board.
Removal of waste
What is the
from the
heading? What is the heading of that sentence?
excretion.
Very good. Okay, read it.
Removal of waste from the body is called excretion.
Hey, is this?
Excretion.
There is no A. Okay. So, excretion. One more. Diya Biju. Diya Biju. Please unmute. Read the sentence.
Excretion.
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 Yes.
Removal of waste from the body is called excretion.
Very good. Very good. One more. I will call one more student. Parvati. Oh, Parvati's video is not. Tanvi. Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please read that heading and sentence.
Excretion.
Yes.
Removal of waste from the body is called excretion.
Okay. The same sentence is there in your textbook. So, not now. When you are after the class, when you are reading the textbook, you can underline that. Okay. So, next one. Who is talking now? Okay. The second, like in the previous chapter, the name of the process of breaking down of food is digestion. The organ system that helps in digestion is called digestive system. In the same way, removal of waste from the body is called excretion, and the organs which all are helping our body to remove the waste from our body, remove the liquid waste from our body. That is called excretory system. That is called excretory system. I will write it on the board. Please check it. Okay, can you see that
Ma'am, we should
new words? New words? Can you see this new words?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just show the
Yes,
thumbs
ma'am.
up. Okay, just show a thumbs up if you can see. Okay, okay. So the second new word which of this chapter is excretory. Excretory system. Okay, what is the name of that system? Excretory system. See, I will call Arpita. Arpita is already unmuted. Please read the spelling of the second one.
Excretory system.
Spelling.
Excretory. System.
Okay. Next, Parvati. Parvati. Arpita, please mute it. Parvati, unmute yourself. Okay. Read the second word spelling.
Excretory. Excretory system.
Excretory system. Excretory system. Okay. It is excretory system. See, everybody mute your audio. I can hear somebody is talking there. So you should not confuse these two words. One is excretion. First one is excretion. Second one is, see, up to here, see, up to here the spellings are equal, right? Then ION is in the first one. Then ORY is in the second one. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
E
Ma'am.
is the
Yes, ma'am.
XEXEXCRET up to T. Both have the same spelling. Then the name of the process is called excretion. ION. Name of the organ system. Name of the organ system which removes the liquid waste from our body is excretory. TORY. Excretory system. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. So, I will again show what is an excretory system. Okay. Everybody, see who okay, one. Okay, can you see next sentence on the board? I will call Devas Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please read the heading of this one.
Excretory system.
Okay, very good. Excretory system. Now mute it, okay. What is an excretory system? The organ system. The organ system. See, some disturbing sounds are there. Everybody muted.
Ma'am,
So,
it is from Kirtan, I think so.
okay, I will check it. Everybody, please mute your audio. Maybe Sriharis is not muted. Is this sounds are from Srihari? See, we have very less time. Everybody, if you are keeping it in muted position, there won't be any distractions. Okay? Can I go back to the board?
Yes.
Yes. So, excretory system. The organ system. I hope everybody can view it, right? If you can see, just show me a thumbs up. Okay, if you can see, okay, good. The organ system which removes the liquid waste from our body is called excretory system. The organ system which removes the liquid waste from our body is called excretory system. Okay, I will call this Rayan Biju. Rayan, fast, unmute it, fast. Okay, please read the heading of this chapter, heading on it. Say, sorry, I can't hear you. Just check your audio. Glenn, Ryan, please mute it, and Glenn, read the heading fast. Glenn, fast. Unmute it fast. No. See, Risa, unmute your audio and read the heading.
Excretory system.
Okay, so read the sentence.
The organ system which removes the liquid waste from our body is called excretory system.
Very good. Now, Siddhi, read it, unmute it and read the heading and sentence.
Excretory system.
Okay.
The organ system which removes the liquid waste from our body is called excretory system.
Okay, excretory system. I hope it's clear to all. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am, that time I can't unmute.
Okay. Next time you can. Nasnia, please mute your audio. Okay. Now I will call some students. I will ask some questions also based on excretory system. Are you ready? Yeah, very good. Okay, let me see. Okay. Isan Russell. Isan. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, the workbook is, rough book is with you,
Ma'am,
right?
there is a student from 3B.
Okay, 3B. Okay, I am from 3B. It is not the 3B class. It is 4A class. Please leave from it. Okay. Okay. Next one. So Rayan, right? Where is Rayan? I can't see Rayan. Rayan, can you hear me, Rayan? No. I will come back to you. Now, Hridvi, please unmute Hridvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are writing new words in your rough book, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
there is one more student from 3rd class.
Okay. I will check it. Okay, you just listen here. Sid, whom I called? Okay. Let me call Hridvi. Okay, Hridvi. What is the process of removal of waste from our body known as? Process. Hridvi, unmute. What is the process of removal of waste from our body known as? Excretion. It is excretion. Isan, unmute. Mute it. So Hridvi told the answer. It is excretion. Okay. Now, Felix, please mute it. I will check that all things. Okay. Isan, are you ready now, Isan? Then unmute it. Okay. The organ system. Hear the question properly. The organ system which removes the liquid waste from our body is called dash system.
Excretory system.
Very good. Excretory system. Okay. So, we learned today only 2 topics. Okay. Learn the new words also. Read the textbook properly. Underline these all sentences if you are finding it there. Okay. So, in the next class, we can find out which all organs in our body helps in the excretion. Okay. As mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus, this all help our body to digest the food. In the same way, which all organs in our body helps in excretion. We can check it. Okay. So next class we can learn about the organs. Okay. Till
Yes.
then, bye bye. Okay.
Bye,
This is the
ma'am.
Thank
end of
you,
session.
ma'am.